Hi, hello, welcome to Epic Drama. Please don't skip the video, that is a gift for you. Today we can see 8 Chiranjeevis or immortals as per Hindu religion. In this sloka we can see 8 immortals. Ashwatthama. Ashwatthama is a great warrior in Mahabharata. He stood for Kauravas. Ashwatthama killed Upapandavas thinking they are the Pandavas while they were sleeping. He shot the Brahmastra on Uttar's womb. Krishna got angry on him and cursed him to be a Chiranjeevi with a painful forehead and blood oozing from it. King Mahabali. He is a grandson of Prahalada. He had conquered all the places in the earth. He is a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. Devendran went to Vishnu and asked to save his Indraloka. Lord Vishnu was very much confused because Bali is a good man and engaged in charity and having a kind-hearted. Lord Vishnu came as a small Brahmin boy to the place where King Bali is making yaga to conquer heaven. He asked for a charity and King Bali agreed. Small boy Vamana asked 3 feet of place. King Bali agreed. Vamana in his first step he covered all places in the earth. In his second step he covered all the universe. King Mahabali understood that he was not an ordinary small boy. He is Lord Vishnu. Vamana asked King Bali what to keep his 3rd feet. He asked to keep 3rd feet in his head. Lord Vamana kept. He went to Patala Loka. The question will arise, King Bali is a great devotee of Vishnu and kind-hearted though. Why he went to Patala Loka? Yes, he went to Patala Loka, not in hell. Lord Vishnu gifted him a beautiful and precious place than Swarga. His aim was to conquer heaven, but he got better place than heaven. Lord Vishnu told that he will be a god for King Bali's palace. Lord Vishnu never betrayed the devotees. He gave them more what they desired. Lord Vishnu gave boon to King Bali to live long as Chiranjeevi. Lord Vishnu gifted him a precious place more than Swarga. King Bali asked a boon to Vishnu to see their peoples on once in a year. God agreed that too. This day is celebrated as Onam in Kerala every year. Peoples of Kerala will celebrate Onam with a colorful rangoli to welcome their King Bali. Vyasa. The great epic Mahabharata was recited by him. Lord Ganesha wrote that with his thumb. He classified Vedas into 4 to make them simplest. He wrote many Puranas to learn easy. He wrote major 18 Puranas. Guru Purnima is celebrated to honor teachers and spiritual guru in this day. Guru Purnima is celebrated as birthday of Vyasar. Lord Vishnu gave boon to live long as Chiranjeevi for his endless good knowledge and wisdom. Hanuman. the most naughtiest child in his childhood. His dedication and devotion towards Lord Rama is immeasurable. Lord Rama too praised his devotion and said he was also his brother by saying Aivaranum. Lord Hanuman had helped so much in Ramayana. He made many adventures to rescue Sita Devi. He won Sita Devi's heart by calling her mother. He teared his heart for showing his devotion towards Ram and Sita. Lord Rama gave boon to live long as Chiranjeevi till Ramanam exists. Vibhishana. Though he was the brother of Demon King Ravana, he was good. He told Ravana several times to change his mind and to release Sita. He openly said to Ravana that he will be on Dharma's side, and he went off from the court. Before the war starts, he went to Rama's side. Even though his brother was Demon King, he wisely chose which is Dharma and he followed that. He got boon from Lord Brahma to long live as Chiranjeevi and should be in path of Dharma and to be a devotee of Vishnu. Kripacharya. He was known for his sheltering nature. He gave shelter to Dronacharya when he was nothing and humiliated by Duripada. He made Dronacharya as Guru for his Kuru dynasty. After Mahabharata war, he became Guru to Parikshit, the grandson of Arjuna. Parasuramar. He is a great warrior. He is the Guru of great warriors like Bhishma, Drona and Karna. He is considered as angry avatar of Vishnu. He was born to Rishi Jamadagni and Renuka. Renuka Devi was a pious woman. She can collect water from unbaked pot. While collecting water, she saw Gandharva ghost with his wife in a chariot in a louder laugh. While seeing that, her pot was broken. Jamadagni got angry and set Parasurama to cut down her head. Parasurama cuts down her head. Jamadagni asked Parasurama what boon he wanted. Parasurama asked a boon that his mother should come alive. Parasurama loved both his mom and dad. He got boon from his father to live long as Chiranjeevi for obeying his words. Markandeya. He was born to great sage Mrikandu Rishi and his wife Marudmati. They worshipped Shiva and sought from him the boon of begetting a son. He was given the choice of either a righteous son but with a short life on earth, or a child of low intelligence but with a long life. His father chose righteous person with a small life. He was blessed with Markandeya, an exemplary son, destined to die. Markandeya grew up to be a great devotee of Shiva. On the day of his destined death, he continued his worship of Shiva in Shivalingam form. Yamadharma saw the small boy Markandeya, hugged Lord Shiva. By fate, rope welfare around on the Shivalinga. Shiva emerged in all his fury, attacking Emma for his act of aggression. Lord Shiva gave boon to Markandeya to live long as Chiranjeevi and his age only by 16. These Chiranjeevis will lead Kalki avatar of Vishnu in Kali Yuga. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to Epic Drama. Wait. What do you think? Does living long is a boon or a curse? based on your deeds. This is a gift for you. Think before you perform. If you like this video, do like, comments and subscribe to Epic Drama. Like us and subscribe to Epic Drama.